Hello, everyone. Welcome to Global Language Podcast. Today's story is something very real. It can happen to anyone at any time. You go to an ATM, you try to take money, and suddenly, your card doesn't work. It was around 6:40 p.m. in a small shopping plaza. The place was not too crowded, but there were enough people moving around, going in and out of stores, carrying shopping bags, talking on their phones. Ethan walked quickly toward the ATM near the entrance of a grocery store. He checked his phone while walking. The seller had already sent him a message. "I'm here. Let me know when you arrive." Ethan typed a quick reply. "Give me 10 minutes. I'm getting the cash." He put his phone back in his pocket and stood in front of the ATM. He took a deep breath. Everything was simple. He just needed to withdraw the money, meet the seller, and buy the phone. That was it. He inserted his card, entered his PIN, selected the amount. Everything looked normal. Then the screen changed. Transaction declined. Ethan stared at the screen. What? He pressed the buttons again. Maybe he made a mistake. Maybe he entered the wrong amount. He tried again. Same result. Transaction declined. Now he felt a small wave of stress. That doesn't make sense. He quickly checked his balance on the screen. The money was there, more than enough. So what's the problem? He tried one more time. Transaction declined. This time, he didn't move for a second. He just stood there, looking at the screen, trying to understand what was happening. Behind him, two people were waiting. One of them stepped closer and said, "Hey, are you done?" Ethan turned slightly. "Yeah, just a second." But he knew he couldn't keep trying. He pressed cancel and stepped aside. Now the situation was different. The seller was waiting. The deal was almost done, and he had no cash. This is bad. He took out his phone and called the seller. "Hey, I'm at the ATM, but there's a problem." The seller didn't sound happy. "What kind of problem?" "My card is not working." There was a short silence on the other side. "Look, I don't have time. I have another buyer." Ethan felt the pressure immediately. "No, wait. I'm trying to fix it." "You have 20 minutes. The call ended. Ethan looked at his phone for a second, then slowly lowered it. His heart was beating faster now. He looked around and noticed another ATM across the street. Okay, maybe that one will work. He crossed the street quickly, almost running this time. When he reached the second ATM, he slowed down and took a deep breath. He didn't want to rush this time. He inserted his card again, entered his PIN carefully, waited. Processing. Then a new message appeared. "Your card has been blocked." Ethan froze. Blocked? Now this was serious. He stepped back and ran his hand through his hair. Okay, stay calm." He immediately called the bank. After a few seconds, an automated voice answered. "Thank you for calling customer service. Press 1 for English." He pressed 1. "Please wait while we connect you." Soft music started playing. People walked past him, some looking at him briefly, then moving on. Time felt slower now. Finally, someone answered. "Hello, how can I help you?" Ethan spoke quickly. "Hi, my card is not working, and now it says it's blocked." The agent's voice was calm. "Okay, let me check that for you." Ethan waited, looking at the ground. A few seconds later, the agent spoke again. "Yes, I can see that your card was blocked for security reasons." "Security? What do you mean?" There were multiple failed attempts. Ethan closed his eyes for a second. Yeah, that was me. For your protection, the system blocked your card. Okay, so what do I do now? We need to verify your identity first. Ethan checked the time. 6:55 p.m. Okay, go ahead. Can you confirm your full name? Ethan Carter. Date of birth? March 12th, 1992. Thank you. More typing sounds. All right, I can unblock your card now. Ethan exhaled slowly. Finally. But please wait 5 minutes before trying again. Okay, thank you. The call ended. Ethan stood there quietly. The noise around him came back slowly. Cars passing, people talking, doors opening and closing. 5 minutes. He looked at his phone. 7 p.m., only 10 minutes left. He walked back to the ATM and stood in front of it again. This time, he didn't rush. He waited, watched the screen, took a deep breath. After a few minutes, he inserted his card again, entered his PIN, waited. Processing. Then the machine made a sound. Please take your cash. Ethan smiled. Finally. He took the money quickly, put it in his wallet, and stepped aside. Then he called the seller. I'm on my way. There was a short pause. You're lucky. I'm still here.
Card declined. Part 2. Deep Learning and Real English. A simple situation. He just wanted to get some cash, but suddenly everything went wrong. Today, we are going to break this story down. We will focus on key phrases, real sentences, useful grammar, and how to use them in real life. So listen carefully and repeat with me. 1. Transaction declined. Let's start with the most important phrase, transaction declined. Transaction declined. This is very common in real life. You see it on ATMs, online payments, stores, meaning the payment did not go through. The bank did not approve the transaction. Real examples. My payment was declined. My payment was declined. My card was declined at the store. My card was declined at the store. Grammar tip. Declined is past form. We often use it like this. Was declined. Got declined. Example. My card got declined. My card got declined. 2. That doesn't make sense. Ethan said. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Meaning, this is not logical. I don't understand why. Examples. I have money, so this doesn't make sense. I have money, so this doesn't make sense. His explanation doesn't make sense. His explanation doesn't make sense. Very useful in everyday situations. 3. What's the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem? Simple but very important. Examples. Is there a problem? Is there a problem? What seems to be the problem? More formal. What seems to be the problem? You can use this, check at the bank, check at the hospital, check at work. 4. My card is not working. My card is not working. My card is not working. Structure, subject plus is not plus verb ing. Examples. My phone is not working. My phone is not working. The machine is not working. The machine is not working. Very practical sentence. 5. I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to fix it. Grammar. Present continuous am/is/are plus verb -ing. Meaning, I am working on solving the problem. Examples. I'm trying to fix the issue. I'm trying to fix the issue. I'm trying to fix my car. I'm trying to fix my car. 6. I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. Very common in real life. Examples. I don't have time right now. I don't have time right now. Sorry, I don't have time today. Sorry, I don't have time today. 7. You have 20 minutes. You have 20 minutes. You have 20 minutes, meaning limited time/pressure. Examples: you have 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes. You have 1 hour to finish this. You have 1 hour to finish this. 8. Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm, meaning don't panic. Examples: just stay calm. Just stay calm. Stay calm and think. Stay calm and think. Very important in stressful situations. 9. Let me check that for you. Bank agent said, let me check that for you. Let me check that for you. Structure: let me plus verb, meaning I will do it for you. Examples: let me help you. Let me help you. Let me see. Let me see. 10. For security reasons. For security reasons. For security reasons, meaning to protect you. Examples: your account is locked for security reasons. Your account is locked for security reasons. We blocked your card for security reasons. We blocked your card for security reasons. 11. Multiple attempts. Multiple attempts. Multiple attempts, meaning many tries. Examples: there were multiple attempts. There were multiple attempts. After multiple attempts, it worked. After multiple attempts, it worked. 12. We need to verify your identity. We need to verify your identity. We need to verify your identity, meaning we need to confirm who you are. Examples: please verify your identity. Please verify your identity. Very common in banks and official places. 13. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, meaning continue. You can start. Examples: go ahead, I'm listening. Go ahead, I'm listening. Go ahead and try. Go ahead and try. 14. Finally. Finally. Finally, meaning after a long time or difficulty. Examples: finally it worked. Finally it worked. I finally finished. I finally finished. 15. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way, meaning I'm coming. Examples: I'm on my way home. I'm on my way home. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. Real sentences, high value. Repeat: my card got declined. My card got declined. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to fix it. Stay calm. Stay calm. Let me check that for you. Let me check that for you. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Real mini conversations. You: my card is not working. Staff: let me check that for you. Agent: we need to verify your identity. You: okay, go ahead. Seller: where are you? You: I'm on my way. Friend: what happened? You: my card got declined. Shadowing practice. Repeat after me slowly. My card is not working. My card is not working. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to fix it. Stay calm. Stay calm. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Now faster. My card got declined. I need to fix this. I don't have time. Stay calm. I'm on my way. Final thought. In real life, problems happen. Machines fail. Plans change. But what matters is this: can you communicate? Can you explain your situation? That's real English. And if you want to speak like this, practice daily. Repeat. Use these sentences in your life. And don't forget to subscribe to Global Language Podcast.